Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest consumer products. Today, we're checking out what I consider the best Stand Smith style sneaker in the Adidas lineup, the Adidas Men's Advantage tennis sneakers. These shoes are all about timeless appeal fused with modern comfort. At first glance, the minimalist design immediately grabs attention. The white-on-white color with that subtle green accent gives it that classic Adidas heritage look, sporty, clean, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're pairing it with jeans, chinos, or even shorts, these sneakers slide right into any wardrobe without trying too hard. Let's talk build. The upper is made from 100% textile synthetics, giving it a smooth and slightly matte finish, not leather, but it feels surprisingly durable and light. Inside, you'll find a soft textile lining that adds comfort without bulk. Now what makes these really stand out for everyday wear is the Cloud Foam sock liner. If you've worn Adidas shoes with Cloud Foam before, you already know, it's plush, responsive, and keeps your feet feeling great throughout the day. Whether you're commuting, walking around campus, or spending a day on your feet, these sneakers absorb the impact and keep things cozy. Underneath, you get a rubber cupsole that grips nicely on most surfaces. It's not a high-performance sports sole, but for casual wear and light training or walking, it's just right. Shaft height is between 6 to 12 inches depending on the size, so it gives decent ankle mobility too. These shoes are part of Adidas Prime Green initiative. That means over 50% of the upper is made from recycled content. No virgin polyester. So you're not just stepping out in style, you're making a lighter impact on the planet too. Speaking of options, the sizing range is great, from 3.5 all the way to 13, so whether you have a smaller or larger foot size, you're probably covered. Just make sure to check the size chart on Amazon before you buy, as the fit is regular but some users may want to size up or down based on personal preference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next product deep dive. This is Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.